there is people walking around the car.
Wow, you.
Oh, look at that cheese. Wow.
Mmm.
I should have used longer screws. Oh well, it'll do for tonight. We've got a camp to get to. And that is the car empty of all its seats. Taking those seats out increases the space in here by so much. I tried doing the bed base and the camping thing and trying to build it around the seats being in there. I didn't even know the seats actually came out, but on these Renault Grand Scenics, on the Scenic 3, might be on the Scenic 2 as well, but I think from 2009 onwards, which is this car, all the seats come out, which gives you loads more storage space, and it will make it a lot easier for me to fit this bed base. So let me go grab it. Right, that's piece number one in. Easy enough so far. You can see on the hinges here, I've got 3 hinges along the side, and down in the bottom there, I've got 3 little bolts that go into these hinges, which makes it a lot easier to get in and out as opposed to them all being together. Let me go and grab the other piece. Haven't quite put the pins in yet, but you can see what I mean. They're going to go all the way up here, a bit skew at the moment, but we'll get that sorted. And the reason why I chose this design is because this piece will fold over there, and the back seat, one of the 7 seats here, folds out so I can actually cook inside, put some stuff on the side there, watch a bit on my phone. It makes it more of a camper as opposed to just a sleeper. You can sit in there when the weather's crap. So I'm going to put the pins in and I'll show you what it actually looks like with the chair set up, and you can see me sitting in there like a plonker. And here's my little mini camper. I could be the weirdest guy in the world. I could be slightly ingenious. Maybe I'll prefer to be the latter, but maybe you'll decide in the comments, who knows. Right, I'll show you what it looks like when I'm sat inside here. Oh, just chilling out on my mum's drive. So this is the plan for tonight. I'm gonna try and cook some food up in the back of the car. On my first camp last time with Matty, I was a bit too much of a scaredy cat to go by myself. I had the bed folded over, so it was a full bed, and I had a whole like wood surface at the back of the car with the boot open, and we cooked up some bacon sandwiches. I'll actually leave a little link up here to my first ever camp with Matty. But the only problem with that was that when the boot was open for a prolonged period of time, cooking the food up, washing my hands, washing the pots and pans afterwards, the warning low battery light came on the car. And I've rang Renault, and they said that there's nothing really you can do to avoid that. If you have your boot open for a prolonged period of time, your rear light, which is down here, which hasn't got a switch to turn it off, will just drain your battery. Maybe someone can leave a comment below for a solution to that problem, because I'd love to cook out the back, ideally. But yeah, this is what it looks like when I'm sat in here. And here we are at Apley Wood. Hopefully the car will also lock. Wait for it. Good girl. Right, this is the entrance to Apley Wood. Oh God, a couple of wolves here. It's been probably the best part of about 14 months since I've been here. But I'll just show you around me now while we've got a little bit of light. I got a new pair of boots today. Those are the boots. Can't remember what they're called. I'll put an overlay on the screen right now. Fingers crossed this little walk isn't too dark for you guys. Got here a little bit late. The traffic was a right nightmare. And this is what I love about this time of year. Coming out for a nice little autumn walk. Didn't need the coat tonight. Got some ducks down here. Oh, wow. Got a squirrel. Whoa. Hello, fella. Might just chill here for a bit and just watch these ducks. And then I think tomorrow morning, once I've had my morning coffee, we'll go and explore the bigger lake just around the corner from here. I can show you more of Apley Wood. But this is a lovely location. there's some posh houses around here. Right, I won't leave the light on for too long. I've just parked up the road from the main gates where we were before. I've had a good drive around this estate. Felt very out of place with all these posh houses, but there's no other really secluded spot to choose from to be able to do our little cookout. So let's get some of the window covers up and we'll get into stealth mode. I'll tell you something, I've never felt more awkward in my life getting a cooker out the front of the car and getting my camera bag. I feel like everybody's watching me. Although I know they're probably not, I just feel really exposed. Like I'm doing something I shouldn't be. But there's nothing wrong with what you're doing. Everyone should be doing this from time to time. Get out and have a mini holiday every night. There is people walking around the car. I'm getting freaked out. I can hear a car, hang on. Hey ho, we're rolling with it anyway. Let's get these burgers on the go. I'm bloody hungry. Oh, Jesus, bit of a flame there, crikey. Okay, what's the heat like off that? Not doing some weird spiritual ritual here. I'm just checking for the heat. So the plan for the burger. We got the cheese. We've got the coleslaw. We've got the McDonald's barbecue sauce that I robbed. And we've got, of course, the brioche bun. Oh yeah, bit of a sizzle. That's what we like to hear. That in there as well. I can start to smell it already. Tell you what, it feels nice and cozy in here now. Just sit back and wait for my burgers to cook. Tell you what, this is good. This is good. We've got the burgers here. Nice and warm in here at the moment then. Having that on really heats up the environment. Hope there's not too much steam coming out of that window. And I hope people don't start ordering through the window saying, can I have a Big Mac and fries? Although I will happily oblige. Leave a comment below. Should I take this on the road? Do you reckon people will pay me to be a roadside chef? Oh, that looks nice. Just flip the burgers. Now starting to look good. I'm going to turn that down a little bit. Nice bit of a Lidl special cheese here, only the finest British mature cheddar. And 3 for you as well. Wow, you double cheeseburger. Dang, look at that. I think I'm gonna layer this. I'm gonna layer the coleslaw. Does anyone else have coleslaw on a burger? I know it's more of a side dish, but I actually like having coleslaw on a burger. Maybe I'm just being really weird. Oh, look at that. That is a mammoth. Wow. Look at that. Now, if that's not Michelin star stuff, I don't know what is. Oh my God. Oh, look at all the fat juices coming through there. Oh, look at that cheese. Wow. Oh, wow, look at that in there. That is absolutely mental. Better than a Big Mac? Oh, my God. Look inside there. Absolutely perfect. It's just probably cooked just above medium. But that is exactly how I like a burger. We've got a car. We're good, we're good. I didn't skimp on the cheese. I tell you what, considering it's my first solo camp, that's not a bad meal at all. Oh shit.
Ugh. Disgusting.
Alrighty, I'm in the back. I got the shorts on and I'm chilling. So join me in the morning and we'll go for a nice little morning autumn stroll around Apley Woods after my cup of coffee. Fingers crossed, I'm not awoken. See you in the morning. Oh. Good morning. Oh, and what a fresh morning it is. I was going to show you around where I am right now. This is like a new build estate and they aren't like small houses either. So I wonder what they'll think of me running in with my little Renault Grand Scenic. It's not as posh as some of the 7-seater Volvos on the drives here. Ooh, lovely double. I wanted to also say in this video, a massive shout out to all of the channel members who have stuck with me through the last few months. I've been struggling a little bit with content ideas. If you want to become a channel member and you want to support my journey and my dream of becoming a full-time content creator, then you can click join next to the subscribe button, and essentially it's just $1.99 a month basically. You essentially buy me a coffee if you like. And here we are at the fishing lake. Now I'm awake. Now I'm awake. Right, I think it's time to sign out from the lake at Apley Woods. Thank you guys for joining me for my first ever solo stealth camp. A beautiful location in Telford, Apley Woods. I recommend you come here if you're local. Leave me a comment below, tell me what you thought of the video. Tell me what you think of the series of this camp in Malarkey, and I'll see you guys in the next video.